Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to talk about the Realme 2 smartphone. Is it really an upgrade over the Realme 1? And my initial impressions after using the device for 24 hours. Without further delay, let's get started. Let's start with the build quality, and the device has a diamond cut at the backside which gives a feeling as if there is little bit of depth on the backside, but frankly speaking it's just a plain background with a sort of illusion which surely looks cool. By the way, we forgot to talk about the unboxing. So in the box you will get the Realme 2 smartphone, a screen protector, a case, a 5V 2A charger because the device does not support quick charging, and a micro USB cable because this device comes with a micro USB port. As we are talking about the micro USB port, let's talk about the battery because charging the battery can take around 2 hours or a little bit more than that, as this device comes with 4230 mAh battery which got me through 24 hours without having any issues. And on the Realme 1 I did not have any battery issue. The battery lasted very long, and I'm pretty much sure that that will be the case on the Realme 2 as well. After this, now let's talk about the performance of the device because the specs have been upgraded from Realme 1 or Realme 2. Or are they? Because this device comes with a Snapdragon 450 processor, 3GB RAM with 32GB of internal storage and 4GB RAM with 64GB of internal storage. 3GB RAM variant is priced at 8,990 rupees, similar to Realme 1. I mean, the Realme 1 comes with Helio P60 processor. Just in case if you are not aware how powerful the Helio P60 is, I would say it's better than 626. But somewhat close to 636. So Helio P60 can perform that good, whereas Snapdragon 450 is a Snapdragon 400 series processor. If I have to compare it with something else, then I would say that Snapdragon 450 is somewhat like Snapdragon 625, but not the same exact performance. But it's kinda similar to Snapdragon 625. So yes, 450 processor is good, it can handle, and at the price of 9,000 rupees we can't complain that much. But Realme 1 with a better processor is already available. It's like company's own earlier version of smartphone is better than the newer one which is launched. Frankly speaking, when I got the device, I realized that this device comes with Snapdragon 450 processor, and I was thinking maybe, just maybe, Realme will price this device at 7,000 rupees or 7,500, but they priced it at 9,000 rupees, so can't really do much. But there are new upgrades that you will find on the Realme 2 as compared to Realme 1. So you are going to get a notch this time with a 6.2-inch display and almost 81 to 82% of screen to body ratio, which is fantastic in my opinion. So you have a better display, and the display quality is also pretty good. I don't have any issues with that. You can view the display from any angle and the display looks very good in that department as well. But the concern here is the 720p display as compared to 1080p display on the Realme 1. 720p, I mean, it's fine. Below 10,000 rupees, you will rarely find any device which has 1080p display. Like Redmi Y2 comes with a 720p display, Redmi 5, Redmi 5A, Honor's devices, all these devices come with a 720p display. But Realme 1 comes with a 1080p display which is available at the same price once again. Realme 2 supports dual 4G, dual VoLTE at the same time, and I tested that and it works super fine with 2 Jio SIM cards at the same time. So if you are looking for that feature, then this device does support that. If you are going to use 2 Jio SIM cards, where will you store all that downloaded data, then you can buy 128GB or 256GB memory card and put it in this device, because this device has a dedicated micro SD card slot to store data. One thing which was missing on the Realme 1 was the fingerprint sensor which is present on the Realme 2 this time, and it actually works pretty fine. As you can see, the device is locked right now. I'll keep my finger and the device gets unlocked. I'll keep my finger and the device gets unlocked. I'll keep my finger and the device gets unlocked. Fingerprint unlock did not give me any issues till now, and face unlock feature is also present. So the device is locked right now. I unlocked it, looked over here, and the device got unlocked. I have to swipe up because that I did not change the setting, but face unlock feature also works very quickly on this device, and I guess this is the fastest face unlock feature I have seen on a Snapdragon 450 processor. Now the device comes with ColorOS, which is Oppo's own skin, and I won't say I'm a huge fan yet, but I can't complain much as well. There are a few annoying things such as to swipe away notifications, you have to swipe to the left once and then click on the delete button. That's something which I would love to be changed about the ColorOS. And the device is based on Android 8.1 and comes with projectable support. Not only that, when it comes to DRM info, the wideband support which I talked about on my Twitter, this device comes with level 3 certificate and no level 1 certificate, meaning you won't be able to play Netflix or Amazon Prime videos at full 1080p or 720p because this device has a 720p display. But that's the case with any other sub 10,000 rupees smartphone except Samsung devices. But if you want to buy Samsung, then that won't give you the best price to performance ratio as well, so it's tricky. Now let's talk about the camera. I was happy with the camera performance on the Realme 1 and I can say the same about the Realme 2. I am happy with the Realme 2's camera performance as well. But when it comes to front facing camera, it is still overexposing a little bit, and I guess that will be fixed with a software update in the future. When I review the device, I'll talk about the camera in detail. I was told by Realme that this is not the final software and the software will be upgraded, so I'm waiting for that upgrade, and after I receive that software update, I'll let you know how good the camera is. But in my initial impressions, I can say that Realme 2's camera is as good as Realme 1, but I can't say that it's better than Realme 1, so that's a little confusing. Did you know that Oppo launched Oppo A5 few days back with Snapdragon 450 processor, similar notch, similar back panel at around 15,000 rupees, and now Realme launched the exact same looking device with exact same specs as Realme 2 at a lower price like 9,000 rupees. I thought Realme is going to be a separate entity as compared to Oppo, but maybe Realme 2 Pro will surprise us for sure, because Realme 2 Pro will have better specifications. I guess it may have Snapdragon 636 or 660 or 710 maybe. Let's hope for the best, and I personally am more excited about the Realme 2 Pro as compared to Realme 2, because Realme 1 is already present in the market, which is a better performing device. Maybe better battery life is present on the Realme 2, but that's the only thing that I can think of which is better in the Realme 2 as compared to Realme 1. But nonetheless, I'll cover this device completely in my review, and I'll talk about how good the device is and what are the bad points, what are the plus points. Frankly speaking, if we ignore the Realme 1 and just look at the Realme 2, this is a good offering by Realme actually. But Realme 1 was a better, like I have said this multiple times. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding the Realme 2, do let me know about that in the comment section box below. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then click on my face right now and get subscribed, because many more awesome videos like these are going to come real soon on the channel. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.